Okay, I wanted to go over regression analysis and also a little bit of correlation. So what I've got here is I got the S&P 500. And I pulled in probably the last 86 data points or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight that column. Well, highlight that column. I'm going to come up here and do insert. And I want scatter plot, just like that. And this comes up, right? It's the S&P 500. So what I'm going to do is just click on the data points, click, and I'm going to do add a trend line, okay? And this will come up. And right now I've got linear, which means it's going to be first order. And we'll play with this a little bit later. I want to display equation on the chart, and this comes up. I want to display R squared on the chart, okay? So what I've got here is about 80% of whatever variation the S&P is varied by the calendar. It's just a natural growth kind of thing. Now I come in here, I'm going to edit this a bit. And I'm going to play with this. And I want you to watch these two terms. So if I click on exponential, right, and this is Poisson, R squared changed just a little bit, right? Just a little bit. And it's a that's almost 0. It's almost 1. Let's do logarithmic, right? Again, that's a worse fit, right? Worse fit. Polynomial, I'm going to do second order. We'll see what's happening here. It changes just a little bit. And I also got this x squared term in here, right? So then if I come in here also, let's try third order. Look at that, I increased my R squared. I got those higher order terms now coming in. Fourth order, fifth order, sixth order. Now see, I can come up to 85%, and I can model this up to the fifth order like that. Right? It's a pretty good model. So what I could do then is I'd come in, if I thought this was a good fit, I can determine how well it fits by this R squared. So I can come in here then and plug in any value of x, and this is in sequence, right? Again, I got 86 of these babies, and I can adjust that. Let's do a power, not very good. Moving average, right? It'll just show me the average. It changes the, I can do the number of periods. Again, I got that 6th order polynomial. It takes the equation off. But I'm going to come back up here to polynomial. Again, you want to do the display equation on the chart. That'll be your trend line. And we can go more than linear. We can go up to exponential, logarithmic, or higher order polynomial. And we want to display the R squared. Okay. Next one, I'm going to put this in a control chart. I'm going to manipulate the numbers a bit, put it in a control chart.